Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the check constraint in MySQL. So the check constraint is just used to limit the value range that we can place in a column or a field. So let's say that we only want values to be placed within a certain range. Well, then we can use the check constraint to do that. Okay, so let's just create a new table. So we'll do create table. Let's just give a name, the most basic one, which is persons, right? And let's just give a few values. I don't know. We'll just do ID, int, ID, int. We'll do first name, and we'll just do last name. And then we'll do one more. We'll do something like, let's say, age, and we'll do an int, right? But now what we can do is we can use check, and we can use this to check the age. Right, so we have a field here called age. What we can do is we can do, for example, age is bigger or equal to, let's say, 18. Okay, and then let's do semicolon. Now let's say we want to insert into this table. So insert into persons, ID, first name, last name, and age. And we want the values to be, let's say we do something like, so value is 1. We'll give a name of Lucas, John. And then let's say we give a value of, let's say we do 5. Okay, press enter. You can see that we do get an error here because 5 is less than 18, but we are checking that age is equal or greater than 18. So because 5 is less than 18, we will not be able to insert that value. But let's say if we change this to, let's say, 25, you can see that we are successfully able to insert that piece of data. Now this isn't just for ints, so I'm just going to drop this table that we just created. So drop table persons. Alright, let's just create a new table again. But instead of age, well, firstly we can have 2. Right, it's not like we need to have just 1. So let's just do age is greater or equal to 18, and then what we can do is we can just use the and we have a, let's say we do last name. So and last name is equal to, and then let's just do something like John. I don't know, right? Press enter. All right, we have created a new table. Let's say we want to insert it into this table. All right, so let's change this to, like, I don't know, Peter, and you are 12. You can see this is still violated. Let's say we want to change this to let's leave this as Peter. Peter. Let's do this as 25. You can see even though this is greater than 18, the last name does not equal to John. Right? So let's change this to John. But let's change this back to 15. You can see even though this is John, even though last name is equal to John, now this is false. So that means that both of them have to be true in order for us to insert a value. Okay, so that's basically it for a check. You know, we can have like a long list of checks, you know, as much as you want. We can use booleans, ints, strings, anything like that, dates. You know, it's up to you. But yeah, that's basically it for checks. Hope this video helped. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.